Coming up next on Trojan News, get ready to hand-jive because Greece is rolling into Greenville.
And students and teachers are sharing their opinions on modern technology in the classroom.
These stories and more coming up next on Trojan News.
And now, from Studio 100 at Greenville High School, this is Trojan News.
Hello and welcome to Trojan News for Friday, February 28th. I'm Brody.
And I'm Aiden.
Miss DeArmond and the cast and crew of this year's musical have been hard at work preparing for this week's performance of Grease. Tickets are on sale now. Shows are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You can purchase them in the main office or buy them at the door. Anna McKinney plays the iconic character Sandy and shares her favorite song in the show and her excitement for the performances.
My favorite song is definitely Summer Nights because I feel like it's so real to like what actually goes on when like a girl and a guy like each other. Like they tell all their friends and like everybody makes a big deal out of it. And it's definitely my most favorite like one to act in just because it's like so exciting and fun and everybody knows it too. So this has been my dream since I was like really little. I've always wanted to do this. So when I found out like I got Sandy, I literally cried. I went home and like cried and I was just so excited. Like it was just the most surreal experience for me just because I've always like wanted this before. My favorite scene is scene 7 just because there's a big fight scene in it and I get to like punch Lily and push her down and it's just like a big like it's like a good acting experience because like I get to like really get mad. Come to Greece. The show dates are February 27th at 7:30 and February 28th at 7:30 and March 1st at 2 o'clock. So yeah, be there. We worked really hard. So.
The cast of Greenville brought their excitement of their upcoming performance to Greenville's elementary school on Tuesday, February 25th, with a special pre-show event. Students got a sneak peek at some of the show's musical numbers. The cast performed select scenes and songs from the production. The visit not only showcased the talent of Greenville High School's performers, but also gave younger students a chance to experience the fun and energy of live theater.
Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the way we learn and teach. But how do students and teachers feel about this impact in the classroom? From helping with assignments to raising concerns about academic integrity, AI is sparking conversations across Greenville High School. We asked students and teachers to share their thoughts on this evolving technology in education.
AI is really good because it helps me with my homework and it just helps me with my grammar.
I think that AI in education is good. In certain instances. I think it gets rid of mundane tasks and it's going to be used in business later on anyway. So if you can teach students to be more efficient using it, but not get rid of their creativity and the education process at the same time, that's a good thing.
I think AI can be good and can be bad. I think it's good in the form of photo math and bad for teachers.
I would probably say AI is very beneficial because ChatGPT has helped me with a lot of homework assignments. Without it, I probably would have failed.
Attention juniors and seniors attending prom. If you're in need of a gown or suit, please see the posters posted outside the office of the guidance office for information regarding free gowns and suits.
As the dog days of winter begin to give way to slightly warmer temperatures, many in Greenville are beginning to think about vacations. We asked students and teachers what their dream vacation would be. Here's what they said.
Okay, I would say my dream vacation is Las Vegas.
It would probably be Las Vegas because UFC events there.
My dream vacation is Bora Bora. Go snorkeling.
Dream vacation spot, probably Hawaii so I could tan.
My dream vacation spot, probably be the Bahamas.
My dream vacation is Tilted Towers, best place ever.
So what do you think your dream vacation would be?
I think my dream vacation would be, going out into Hawaii, swimming with some dolphins, enjoying a few waters in front of the beach. Sounds great. What about you, Ready?
I want to go to Italy just because the views are so pretty and the people seem like very nice there.
I would agree. As debates over cell phones in classrooms intensify, the Los Angeles Unified School District has implemented a ban on student cell phones use during school hours, effective February 18th, 2025. This move aligns with growing trend among educational institutions, aiming to reduce distractions and enhance student engagement. Today, we explore the perspectives of students and teachers on this contentious issue.
What are your thoughts and opinions on having cell phones in class? I feel like having a cell phone on you is better than carrying around a Chromebook, because if you have to do something, you can just carry it around with you.
I like having a cell phone in class because after my work's done, it keeps me entertained.
I feel like having cell phones in class can be a good tool for when you want to stay up to date on like what work you have missing or what you need to catch up on, but it can also be distracting when you need to get work done.
I think having cell phones in class is bad because they are distracting and take away from classroom time.
I don't think students should be allowed to have cell phones. I think there are a lot of benefits to having cell phones, like being able to do a lot of work from your phone compared to on a laptop or a Google Chromebook. But I think just like for a lot of issues that have come up, and then just like different issues that have come up with cell phones, people taking pictures, stuff like that. I think cell phones can just be more of a hassle with social media than an asset.
My current view on having cell phones in class is I'd rather not have them on the student. We usually come into my classroom and put the phones in the back of the room, and that way everybody's focused on the lesson and the job at hand. And then, as always, when we finish up our lesson, they are able to grab their cell phones for the remainder of the period. I know changes are coming, but currently this year that has worked.
Attention seniors, don't miss out on valuable scholarship opportunities that could help fund your future education. Stop by the guidance office or pick up important information on available scholarships and eligibility requirements. There are many options out there, so take the time to explore and apply.
Congratulations to Carly Sitzowitz, Hunter Emmerich, Caden Saylor, Colton Godfrey, Plessy Ernger, Callan Weiland for qualifying for the junior high state wrestling tournament, and good luck to Cameron Wild, Kesa Mataria, Josh Prino, Rudy Gentili, Hunter Cox, and the Gavin Ryle as they move on to the Northwest Regional Wrestling Tournament this weekend.
That's all for this week's episode of Trojan News. Be sure to follow our YouTube channel for the latest in school news. For Trojan News, I'm Brody.
And I'm Aiden. Make sure you go follow your fellow classmates at Greece this weekend.
And stay warm and have a great day.